In this video presentation, we'll demonstrate some of the unique benefits and applications of the HUSQVARNA K760 Cut-n-Break and the electric K3000 Cut-n-Break. Starting the machine's easy, even when starting cold, thanks to the Air Purge and decompression valve.
The Smart Carb feature compensates when the filter gets dirty and maintains high power and low fuel consumption.
The cut-and-break method allows the user to cut in stages through walls up to 400 millimeters thick. After each cut, a core is formed thanks to the cutter's twin blades. This core can easily be broken off using the accompanying breaking tool. Repeat this procedure until your required depth of maximum 400 millimeters is reached. Thanks to the cut-and-break's methods, flexibility, and deep cutting possibilities, the K760 Cut-n-Break is the ideal machine for projects out of the ordinary. Such as this one, where instead of cutting a regular window straight through the wall, our HUSQVARNA professional demonstrates how you can create a pocket on the side of the wall.
Engines with X-Torq produce 75% less emissions, 20% lower fuel consumption, and more power compared to a conventional two-stroke power cutter.
This machine is excellent where you don't want overcutting in the corners. HUSQVARNA also offers an electric cut-and-break machine named the K3000 Cut-n-Break. The K3000 Cut-n-Break is a very efficient cutter. It's easy to handle and can be used indoors. This machine's ideal for flush cutting, thanks to the adjustable blade guard that allows cutting very close to walls and floors. For more information regarding handling and service on your HUSQVARNA K760 Cut-n-Break and K3000 Cut-n-Break, refer to your operator's manual.